Hey everyone, welcome back to Republic Labs. BTC pumped back up to $116k before correcting. Is this a good signal for the continuation of the bull market into end of year 2025? Today we talk about BTC and gold correlation, talk about 2025 state of crypto, the Coinbase X402 standard, prediction markets, and the Monad community. Let's go. Market thoughts. On October 17, a Delphi digital analyst, Marcus, tweeted about the BTC and gold correlation that has mapped historical major trend shifts. We were in downside phase that looks consistent with shallow corrections from prior cycles rather than extended bear market drawdowns. And based on historical patterns, the correction is expected to complete somewhere between late November to December, and the risk case is if we see continued divergence past December. But the expected reversal window aligns perfectly with Bitcoin's strongest seasonal period. And you might have seen this chart around crypto Twitter, is that the BTC and gold correlation is currently playing out. So they kind of did nail the local bottom on the BTC gold ratio and the trade of BTC lows. So we will see if this holds. Andreessen Horowitz 2025 State of Crypto reports the maturation of the crypto industry crossed $4 trillion this year, and the market cap is now big and growing, with growing institutional adoption with banks, asset managers, fintechs, and others. The rise of stablecoins also gone mainstream, now rivaling large payment networks in volume. And we have many more better infrastructures with new on-chain consumer experiences like perpetuals, prediction markets, real-world assets. AI and crypto are also converging from verifying humans to enabling agentic transactions. And the long-awaited regulatory clarity in the US, the crypto industry is now stronger than ever. So it's time to upgrade the financial system, rebuild global payment rails, and create the internet that the world deserves. 17 years in, and crypto is leaving its adolescence and entering adulthood. Coinbase X402. Modern payment networks are purpose-built for stablecoins, unencumbered by the inefficiencies of legacy fiat systems. Payment protocols like X402 is shifting control of commerce from centralized fee-heavy financial institutions to decentralized one, web-native blockchain rails. Blockchains are the foundation of a world where money is liquid 24/7, transactions can settle in seconds where they once took weeks for a fraction of cost, and AI agents facilitate human transactions, then evolve into facilitating their own economies. X402 carries zero protocol fees, instant finality via stablecoins, no chargebacks, permissionless integration, no merchant accounts needed, and global scalability for micropayments. Transaction values of fractions of a penny are now possible. There are many interesting use cases to X402 standard that Coinbase has developed, and modern payment networks are now being built with the end users first, whereas legacy payment networks were built in the middleman first to generate profit as a company. Prediction markets. Both Kalshi and Polymarket, the two biggest platforms, announced a multi-year licensing deal with the National Hockey League or NHL. This lends credibility while also allowing them to access official NHL proprietary data, and not to mention the brand exposure through virtual signage on the NHL broadcasters. And these platforms are directly advertised to the league's most hardcore fans and sports bettors, potentially resulting in a significant increase in new users. There's some speculation that this endorsement pits prediction market platforms against traditional sports betting platforms like DraftKings and FanDuel in a fight for users and volume. DraftKings recently announced it was going to be launching its own prediction market platform, DraftKings Predictions, as a mobile app in the coming months. And a comment from Polymarket founder Shane Copland shows that the dynamics between the two may be more collaborative. Copland revealed that Polymarket would serve as the designated clearinghouse for DraftKings' upcoming prediction markets. These types of B2B partnerships will likely become more common. For instance, popular trading platform Robinhood announced a partnership with Kalshi for its prediction markets hub, and Solana DEX aggregator Jupiter also recently announced the rollout of a prediction market feature in beta powered by Kalshi's liquidity pools. MetaMask and Rabi Wallet have also announced prediction market integrations in partnership with Polymarket, and newer platforms have also attempted to capture a portion of the market share from incumbents by offering points programs with the promise of an airdrop in the future. Limitless conducted its TGE and airdrop program last week. While initially perceived as a promising newcomer on base L2, the sentiment for the project has completely flipped after wallets connected to the Limitless team were seen selling tokens on the market after launch, and some reports claim that they have made over $2 million doing this. While the Limitless team has defended its action as an on-chain market-making strategy, the community remains skeptical, and this isn't the first time market-making has been used as an excuse for mass token dumps. Nevertheless, the future does look bright for the industry as a whole, and more specifically, parlays have been a key area of focus for many in the prediction market industry, and Hyperliquid's HIP-4 is expected to reduce some of the pricing inefficiencies to make parlays possible on-chain. Monad community, just a reminder to check the Monad airdrop claim portal before November 3rd, 2025, because allocation reveal starts in an hour, and Monad has put this much effort into an airdrop like never seen before. Crypto has always been about community. Early believers in Bitcoin bonded over shared values, decentralization, censorship resistance, self-sovereignty, and open source code, and the seemingly irrational belief that Bitcoin could change the way the world thinks about money. Early Ethereum enthusiasts geeked out over programmable money on a world computer, imagining a fairer system of governance and capital formation enforced by immutable gold. Early Solana community members bonded over a vision of DeFi at Nasdaq speed and brutal hardware-driven efficiency. In each case, technology and community went hand in hand. And what made the technology ultimately so impactful was the collective belief and intensive effort of a community who dared to be fearlessly optimistic. And over the past few years, the same goes for early Monad community members. They have bonded over a shared vision of a decentralized, open, and permissionless future where true decentralization and real performance go hand in hand, and they have championed the belief that decentralized systems will eat the world if we do it right, and shared value of optimism, transparency, long-term effort have been the backbone of Monad culture. No shortcuts has been the motto. And today, many of the early believers in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana are lauded as leaders in the space, but only a few years ago, they were just smart, curious people who believed in something and took initiative with consistency and intentionality. The Monad community is at that point right now. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you may, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Cheers.